Who? I am talking about my crush Sin, murder drones, because due to never being present as herself, it isn't easy to ascertain Sin's actual mannerisms. That said, when puppeteered by the absolute solver, she comes off as a chilling personality that scares those around her due to her mental and physical deformities. Lacking any semblance of emotions, she resorts to using mimicry and imitation to behave like a real person would, speaking aloud her actions, light sip, sheepish nod, giggle, but she is capable of actually laughing. Her posture and gait are awkward, stilted, and off balance. Her neck joint is also loose, and she has to support her head with her hand.